cute. It's giving me 1988 Sandra Clark 227. Like I'm about to come down the stairs like, ooh, baby, ooh. Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, Queen of the Graphics. Now, I don't know if your girl got a low-key problem or a high-key problem or what, but I think I might be a hoarder. Yeah, I'm thinking I might have a problem because for a while, I haven't been able to get into my closet comfortably. And it's because I have bags upon bags and boxes of clothes that I have not seen, in 4 to 5 years. And these clothes are from SHEIN and Rainbow and Flamingo and all types of places that I even forgot about. So it's just like they were just there. And I'm like, I don't even know what's in half of these things. So what I wanted to do was basically try on a lot of the things I didn't even know I still had. Like, here are some of the bags now that they've never been opened. Like, stuff like this. As you can see, they're still tied. Like, this is how it was when I first got it. I just put it in the closet and completely forgot about it. I don't know how long these things have been in here. I don't even know what's in these bags, honestly. But it's like that in my closet throughout. So I have boxes and bags from SHEIN, which is what I'm going to be trying on today. I found like 5 or 4 dresses that I have completely forgotten about. I don't know if I can fit them. I don't know what they look like on me. I never even really tried them on when I had them. I just got it and put it away. So as to why I did that, I have no clue. So me trying this stuff on the front of y'all, this is going to be my first impression of it as well as yours. So I don't know what I'm about to be looking at, and hopefully y'all will enjoy, because I don't know what I'm about to set myself up for. So rock with me. So this is what I'm talking about, y'all. Like, here's a box of unopened shoes. I don't even know where I got these from. They still got the tags on them. Yeah, I don't even know when I got these. So that goes to show you it's ridiculous that all the stuff that I have in my closet. I was too ashamed to even show y'all what my closet looks like. It's bad, but that's okay because I'm going to be cleaning it out. But like I said, I have so many clothes in there. I'm anxious to see what's all in there, and I want y'all to see what's in there with me, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to show y'all just even shoes, unopened. Alright, so I don't know how I feel about it. This is my first time seeing myself in this. It's giving me Halloween. It's giving me Morticia Adams if she was about to be on a night on the stroll. I don't know. And I have these little heels on because I've never been one that's ever been able to wear heels. And I have to do little heels. I can't do stilettos and stuff like that, but that's the point. What do y'all think? I don't know, like, it's giving me Halloween costume. And then the thing is, I got this when I first learned about SHEIN. So by accident, I ended up ordering 2. I didn't even know that I had 2 in there. So I have 2 of these. And yeah, I don't know. What do y'all think? I think this would be good for a Halloween costume, but I wouldn't feel good going out in this to like a party. I don't think so. But what do y'all think? And also, I meant to say, this is a size 3X. As you can see, it's kind of loose and baggy in the back. And another thing is, you're definitely going to probably need someone to help you to zip it up. Because it zips up in the back. You're probably going to need someone to help you do that, because I had a horrible time trying to zip it up. But if you have someone to help you, it shouldn't be a problem. But again, it's a 3X, and it's a little baggy and a little long in the arm. So if you're short like I am, I'm only 5'2". If you're short like me, I don't know if that has anything to do with arm length, but you might have to hem it or something. So I just want to let you know about that as well. Okay, so this is the second dress that I ever got from. This is second dress I ever got from Shein, right along with the Morticia Adams dress. I like this one because it reminds me of that little spicy Latina look. Like I'm about to go to Puerto Rico and do this all day or something. Go to Mexico and do this. So something like that. I do like it. With this dress, it's doing the exact same thing as the other one though, where you have all this space in the back, and this is also a 3X. I do like the feel of it. I'm actually shocked that it fits because during the time when I first bought it, because I remember I only tried this on once. It's the second time ever in 5 years that I've tried this dress on. And I remember the very first time I put it on, it was extremely tight, and I've lost some weight since 5 years ago, around like 30 pounds or so. And so it's a lot looser than it was back then. So I'm kind of proud of myself, but it's all besides the point. But yeah, I wouldn't even know if they would even still sell this. But yeah, this is from 5 years ago, and I like it. I like it. Other than, like I said, all this space, I do think it's cute. I think it's cute to go out on a town, and especially if you're like on vacation somewhere tropical. I think this would be good for like a nightclub type thing. I like it. What do y'all think? Okay, so this is the third dress from that first batch ever that I ever got from Shein. And this was, I'm gonna let y'all in on something. I'm not a person that ever really wore dresses. I don't really wear dresses. I'm starting to try to get into them now, but during the times when I had bought this, I wasn't one that felt comfortable wearing dresses because I still didn't feel comfortable in my body, and I was very insecure in my size and things like that. So I would always want to wear things that would hide, or try to hide it as much of me as I could, and try not to wear tight things, and definitely dresses were just not a part of the equation. But 5 years ago I bought this right along with the other ones, trying to feel good about myself, trying to see if I could feel sexy at my size, whatever. And I think that's another reason why I bought all those clothes and then just hoarded them and didn't wear them, because I guess I just didn't feel comfortable enough to wear them. But this is one of those ones that I actually do like it on me. Like I said, I am like 30 pounds lighter than what I was, but still, and I couldn't really fit it too, so keep that in mind. I couldn't really fit this dress at the time either. So this dress, it fits now, but yeah, at the time it didn't. So I think that's another reason why these got hoarded, because I couldn't really fit them. But we ain't talking about that. This ain't I Only Fix Your Life. I get it, QG, I get it. So, but anyway, this dress, I think it's cute. It's giving me 1988 Sandra Clark 227. Like I'm about to come down the stairs like, ooh, man, we good. That's what it reminds me of. Like Sandra Clark minus the waistline. I get it. But I do like it though. I think this would be cute for like, because it do kind of remind me of the 80s with this thing going on here. Kind of reminds me of the 80s. So like, I don't know if I would feel comfortable wearing this like to a party nowadays, or if I did wear this, I would wear it like as a costume, like I said, if I was trying to be like Sandra Clark or something like that. But I don't know, how do y'all feel? Like, do y'all feel like this is something that could be rocked nowadays without it being an issue? Like, is this in style to you? Would you wear it? I don't know how I feel about this. Like I said, I think it kind of looks dated to me. Yeah, but what do y'all think? Let me know down below. Okay, so honestly, this is a wrap dress. I truly don't know how to wear this. Now I know for sure that's the reason why I didn't wear this, because when I got it, I have no clue how this is supposed to go. Maybe y'all know how. I ain't never had a wrap dress before, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with this at all. When I seen it on the model, I wanted it so bad because I thought it looked so cute on her. But when I got it, I just was like, yeah, what am I supposed to do with this? And you know, years later, I still don't know what to do with this. So maybe some of y'all who are more advanced and wearing dresses, and particularly wrap dresses, maybe you can help me out, because I don't know what is going on. Like, you'll just see all my Spanx if I just, because I can't close it. Oop, can't close it. Yeah. So sorry I couldn't do nothing with this one, but maybe y'all can help me out with this, because I don't know what happened. But what do you think? Y'all, so that is it for my SHEIN clothing haul, hoarders edition. I would like to know what y'all thought about this video. If you like more content like this from me, I would really appreciate it. If it's your first time coming through, thank you for watching. If you even made it this far, I really hope that you would come back, because I have, like I said, because mama didn't hoard it like a whole bunch of clothes, I can make videos for a long time just showing y'all all the stuff that I have, that I forgot that I had, that I don't know what I have, and just take the journey inside of my freaking closet, because I don't know what's up in there. As long as there ain't no rats and roaches, that's all that matters. But until then, I hope you come back and rock with me. All right, bye.